I think it's about $200 a month, dog food
Wow.
and everything included. Yeah.
Yeah, mine's
So,
100, but mine's this
but
big.
yeah, he's a big boy.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
doggy he's 85 pounds, so he's a German Shepherd mix.
How
So
old
he's
is
a
you,
big
your
boy.
dog?
He's 7 years old.
It's a beautiful dog.
He's
Break.
half lab. He's half Labrador Retriever and half German Shepherd.
Does he like
Yeah, he's very
swimming?
friendly. Yes, he does. Yeah, we've taken him to the beach a few times. So he's a
He
cute.
swims in the ocean?
Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
In Florida, they have a few dog beaches that you could bring your dog to the beach, and
It's
they're
crazy.
allowed to swim in the
Nice,
ocean. Yeah,
nice.
expensive, but yeah, I think worth it. You know,
Did
four
you
or 5 months.
adopt or buy from a breeder?
No, we adopted him from a pound.
Oh wow,
A
that's
dog.
nice. That's
Yeah.
nice of you.
So we had him since he was a little baby, and now
What's
he's
his name?
Hudson.
Hudson. Hudson. Make some money off the dog.
Mm.
So it's a
So
buy, 30 price target, price 22. So that's a huge markup.
good company.
So we have good news. So it's 20% undervalued. That's really good.
All right.
Since its IPO, revenue has tripled to 11 billion. That's amazing. Gross margin expanded by 800 basis points to 28%.
What?
The average is
Well, what's it?
38%. That's
It's selling at $23 a share.
selling at 16.84.
1684. Get out of here.
Yeah.
And by the way, we're not sponsored. This is we just like we're looking at the financials and the qualitative side. We do like the business model.
Actually, right now we were just looking at your dog, and then this
Yeah.
just came. That's the beauty of business. Like we were saying with Matthew, business is an art, not a science.
Yeah. And you can become a Chewy's member, so you could get Chewy's points and you get rewards, and it's a very nice ecosystem to stay within Chewy's.
Above current market price. Okay, so I'll tell you what happened. So 2020 minus 2 million, 2021 positive 2 million, 2022 minus 1 million, 2023 119 million.
Whoa, that's an explosion in free cash flow.
Right. Trading
I mean,
12
yeah.
months, 318.
Wow.
Trailing 12
Wow.
months. So recently it's just going ballistic.
Makes sense. Products are great.
Yeah.
Hudson, yeah, Hudson. He's looking right at you.
The P ratio is insane. 600. It was free cash flow negative before, and it's just entered FCF positive. So this is way
Yeah.
too new to know.